Hi children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine, right? Yes, you are enjoying your holidays and welcome back to the classes. Today we are going to restart the classes. Okay, fine? Okay, I think you have remembered the previous class. What we have discussed in the previous class. We have discussed about animals, food habitat of animals. We have learned about food habitat of animals. That is the block 6. So the same way what we have learned in the different types of animals like carnivores, omnivores and herbivores. The same way today we are going to learn about the teeth of animals. What's our topic? Teeth of animals. Children, clear the class of? Yes. Class 3. What is the class? Class 3. And what is our subject? Science. Right? And we are going to learn today about the teeth of animals. And first of all, I want to show you a picture of. Okay, today I am going to show you the one picture. If you observe first picture, then we will enter into the topic. Yeah, first picture, if you observe the boy, what is there in the boy? If you observe the picture clearly, you can notice something. Is there any teeth for the boy? Is there any teeth? No. For us, once smile for me. Smile, everyone. Yes. If you smile, can you see a teeth in your mirror? If you smile in front of your mirror, you can see something in your mouth. Yes. Those are called as teeth. What we call them? Teeth. What about the small baby there in the picture? You can see the teeth for the baby? No, we cannot see the teeth for the baby. And what is the use of the teeth then? Yes, if the teeth is there only, we will eat the food, we can chew the food, all these things. If the teeth are absent, then what we have to do? Yes, we have to take only the liquid food. How the small baby will drink only the milk because the teeth is absent for the baby. Now today we are going to learn about the teeth of animals. Teeth of animals. What is the meaning by here the teeth? We have learned about the different types of animals. What we have learned about the herbivores, carnivores and the omnivores. The same way we are going to learn those type of animals and what type of teeth are present for different animals like herbivores, and next carnivores, and next omnivores. Okay, we have learned about the herbivores, carnivores and the omnivores. Now next, if you observe the herbivore animals, what is the main thing in the herbivorous animals? What type of food will be eaten by the herbivores? Come on, tell me. Yes, they eat plants. What they are going to eat? They are going to eat plants. Right? And what can you guess? What type of teeth will be having for the herbivorous animals? Can you guess? Can you guess? The same way we are also eating the food. We are also having the teeth. If you observe any type cow, buffalo, or the donkey, have you observed the teeth? How they are? They are in the big in size. And what is the shape? Yes, they are the flat bone teeth. What type of teeth are present here? Yes, flat bone teeth. What is meant by flat here? If you observe the teeth, there should be the flatness. I will show you the picture. Then you will get the clarity about the flat. Yes, Mota. Let's see. Yes. Have you observed this picture in your house? Yes, sir. What is that called? Yes, that is the mortar. What is the use of the mortar for us? Yes, to grind the things, to grind the leaves, to grind something. Yes, this is the mortar. The same way the teeth are useful to grind the food or to chew the food. Now I will show you the one picture. Yes, donkey. Now we will see the picture of the donkey. Yes, if you observe the picture of the donkey, what is there in that picture? Can you guess? Yes, the teeth. You can observe how the donkey is smiling. Yes, see the teeth. I told you that flat broad teeth is there for the donkey. If you observe the picture, the teeth are very broad and the flat in nature. Means the straight way the teeth are there. Those are useful for? Yes, to chew the food. To chew the food. This type of teeth, like what is the teeth here? Flat broad teeth. Which animals are having flat broad teeth? Here herbivores animals. What they are going to eat? They are going to eat only plants. How they are going to eat? Yes, they chew the food. They chew the food. Okay. Now we will see about the carnivorous animals. What type of animals are carnivorous animals? What type of food is eaten? Yes, carnivorous animals will eat. Yes, come on, guess. Yes, that is the flesh. They eat flesh. What they are going to eat here? Yes, they are going to eat the flesh. Now we have seen the donkey having the flat board of teeth. What about this carnivorous animal? Yes, while we are eating the chicken, we will eat something differently. While we are eating egg, we will eat different. Yes or no? While we are eating the bitter gourd or while we are eating the carrot, is there any different while eating the carrot and as well as the chicken? Can you guess? Yes, we can eat the carrot with the help of our front teeth. Front teeth means we are having the flatness. Means the plant eating animals have flat teeth. What about the carnivorous animals? Yes, we will eat the chicken with the help of our edge teeth. Those are very sharp pointed teeth. What they are having? Sharp pointed. Yes, sharp pointed teeth. What the carnivorous animals are having? Yes, they are having the sharp pointed teeth. Why they need the sharp pointed teeth? Yes, to tear the fur or to tear the flesh, they are going to use the sharp pointed teeth. What type of teeth you can see for the carnivorous animal? Sharp pointed teeth. Yes, if you observe the animals like lion, tiger, what we call crocodile, all these animals are having the very sharp pointed teeth. If you observe, yes, that is useful to tear the flesh. How we are going to use the knives? How we are going to use what are the different things to cut the flesh? The same way here the pointed teeth helpful for the different animals like lion, tiger, next cheetah, crocodile, all these they are having the sharp pointed teeth. And what is the use of here the teeth? Yes, to tear the flesh. To tear the flesh. Now I will show you the picture, then you can see the tiger. You can see the picture of a flesh-eating animal. Yes, first of all, knives. Knives. Okay. Lion. Now we can see the picture of the lion. right? If you observe the picture of the lion, what is there in the teeth? Special nature. Yes, they are having the short pointed teeth. You can observe in the picture the mouth of a lion. Yes, how is there the teeth? They are very, very pointed. Why that type of sharp pointed teeth are useful? They are useful to cut the flesh into pieces. Yes or no? While we are eating the chicken also we will use our edge. What is the edge teeth? The same way here the animals like lion, tiger, all the carnivorous animals having the most sharp pointed teeth. Those are useful to tear the flesh, either of the dead animals or the live animals like deer. Always we have seen that lion is chasing the deer, right? Means it has going to eat the flesh. To cut the flesh into the pieces, this type of teeth is useful. What is the main teeth here? Sharp pointed teeth is useful. Next tiger. If you observe the tiger also, you can see the same type of teeth. What is the same type of teeth here? Short pointed teeth. Yes, means that it is also a carnivorous animal. Now we will enter into the omnivores. What is meant by omnivores here? Yes. Here the main thing is it will eat, omnivorous animals will eat both plants as well as flesh. They eat both flesh and plants. What they are going to eat? Yes, they are going to eat both plants as well as the flesh. Here, then what is the what type of teeth will be there for omnivores animals? Can you guess? Here already we told that plant eating animals means herbivores having flat bored teeth. And here carnivorous animals are having sharp pointed teeth. What about the omnivores here? Omnivores means they have to eat both plants as well as flesh. Then what type of teeth are they? You have to guess. Here the herbivore and the carnivores. We have to mix it. So they are having flat. What type of teeth we have seen here? Yes, flat teeth we have seen and pointed also. Pointed. Both type of teeth are present for the omnivorous animals. They are having the flat bored teeth as well as sharp pointed teeth. Both type of teeth. Whatever the carnivores and herbivores are having, both teeth are involved in the omnivorous animals. See, here the flat and pointed teeth are there. Why? Because it is going to eat the flesh as well as the plants. Can you guess the example here? Yes. Normal days you eat the leafy vegetables or the vegetables. In the special occasions we will eat the chicken, mutton, fish. Means beer also belong to the omnivorous animal. Yes, what is the first example? Humans. And second one is the bear. Bear, fox, all these animals. I will show you the picture, then you will get the clarity about the different animals. Okay. Then you can see what type of bear. Bear. If you observe the picture of the bear, what is there? The edge teeth are very pointed, means a sharp pointed teeth. In the middle teeth, you can observe the middle teeth. Those are flat teeth. Yes, now what we told that omnivorous animals are having the flat as well as the pointed teeth. You can observe in the picture clearly that the edges of the mouth, they are having the long and the sharp pointed. That is useful to cut the flesh. Okay, next flat teeth are there in the middle or between the sharp pointed. Those are called as the flat teeth. Those are useful for eating plant products or the plants like grass, vegetables, fruits. Okay, now we will see the next picture, that is the teeth of human beings. Okay, if you observe the teeth of human beings, you can get the clarity. Yes, what we are telling, we are also the omnivores animals. We will eat both plants as well as the like the chicken, mutton, all this non-veg also we are going to. How we are having the teeth? If you observe the front with 3 to 4 teeth, they are very flat, right? Am I right or not? Yes. Those are useful to eat the what? Plant products. How we told the flat teeth are useful for plant items like grass, how the herbivorous animals. We will eat vegetables, right? If you observe the front teeth, see here the same way, those are useful to eat the vegetables, fruits, all these things. When the chicken or when we are eating the mutton or the fish, we use our the corner teeth. If you observe the fifth, yes, 4 and 5 teeth, you can observe in the picture. Those are somewhat long and somewhat sharp pointed. Yes, those teeth are called as the pointed teeth. You can observe in your mirror and you can observe your sharp pointed teeth also. See here, this is the sharp pointed teeth which are useful to cut the chicken, fish, all these things. Yes, means we are also having the both flat teeth as well as the pointed teeth. So humans also come under herbivorous animals. Okay. Now you have some. Okay. Now you have seen about the different animals like herbivores, carnivores, and the omnivores. What we have learned only about the teeth of animals. What type of teeth are there? Only we are having 3 types of animals as well as 3 kinds of teeth we are having. What is the first one here? Herbivorous animal. Can you tell the example to me? Donkey, cow. These are the different types of examples you can see. What they are going to eat? They are going to eat plants. What is the next one? What type of teeth? What type of teeth will be there? Flat, bold teeth. How we are having the front teeth are called as a flat bone teeth. Those are called flat bone teeth. Yes, what is the use? They are going to grind the things or the chew the food. And second one is the carnivorous animal. They eat, what is the main thing here? They eat flesh. And next one, what type of teeth they are having? Sharp pointed teeth they are having. And next one, how they are going to use? Yes, to tear the flesh. And next one, omnivores. What they are going to eat? They are going to eat both flesh as well as the plant. What type of teeth are they? Both what are the herbivores are having, carnivores are having. Flat and the pointed teeth. You can observe they can grind as well as they can tear the food. Now you can observe the pictures. Interaction. Okay. Now first standards we will see from the baby. Okay, from the boy onwards. If you observe the baby, a small baby does not have the teeth. Why the teeth are absent? Because there is no growth of the teeth for the small baby. After some months, we can get the teeth. Here, what is the main thing? Teeth are absent. So, the child has to take the liquid food. Next picture, you can see the motor. Yes, that motor is useful to grind the food. The same way the flat teeth are useful to grind. So, we will move to the next picture, that is the donkey. If you observe the donkey teeth, those are flat bodied, which are useful to grind like leaves, like grass, and the different types of fruits, vegetables, all these things. Next, if we move to the zebra, the same way how the teeth is there for the donkey, the same teeth will be there for zebra. Yes, what type of teeth can you guess? Yes, sharp or flatted? Yes, flat type of teeth. The flat borded teeth will be there for donkey as well as the zebra also. Yes, what is the use? Yes, to grind the leaves or to grind the grass. Next, if you observe the next picture, that is the cow. Cow is also eating the grass. Okay, that type of grass means those are herbivorous animals. Next, we will move to directly, yes, like lion. Lion is having a sharp pointed teeth. It is useful to cut the flesh or to tear the flesh. Okay, so that what type of teeth we are using? Yes, sharp pointed teeth. Next picture, that is the tiger. How the lion is having the sharp pointed teeth? The same way tiger is also having sharp pointed teeth, which is useful to tear the flesh. Next, what is the next picture? Yes, crocodile. If you observe the crocodile, the same way how lion, tiger is it, the same type of teeth. What type of teeth those are? Sharp pointed teeth. Because crocodile also will eat different type of flesh, like a fish, like human being, something, whatever it will like. It is also having the sharp pointed teeth. If you observe the bear, next picture, if you observe the bear, it is a different animal. What is the different animal? Because it will eat both plant products as well as the flesh. So this type of animal is called as omnivorous animal. What we call omnivorous animal. What type of teeth are present here? Yes, it is having the flat teeth which are useful to eat plant products like fruits, vegetables, all these things. And they are having the very sharp pointed teeth. The teeth are useful to cut the flesh or tear the flesh. How we are eating the chicken, how we are eating the flesh, the same way here the bear is also having sharp pointed teeth as well as the flat teeth. If you observe the next picture, that is the, yes, teeth of ourselves, means teeth of human beings. You can see we are also having the flat teeth as well as the pointed teeth. If you observe in the mirror, you can get the clarity about the flat teeth as well as the pointed teeth. We will move to the next picture, that is the fox. Yes, if you observe the fox, at the edges it is having a pointed teeth, and for the long side or the back side, those are the flat teeth which are useful to grind the food, and those short pointed teeth is useful to cut the flesh item. So fox is also an example for omnivorous animal. Yes, now we can see the content textbook that they have given. Yes, different kinds of animal teeth. Yes, animals have different types of teeth that help them to eat different kinds of food. Already we have learned about the herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Today we are going to know about the teeth and what type of food they have. Different animals means herbivores are different from the carnivores, carnivores are different from the omnivores. So different types of animals will eat different types of food. Carnivores have big, sharp and pointed teeth. We have seen already the sharp pointed teeth like the lions, tiger and as well as cheetah, all these crocodile we have seen. Next, which help them to tear animals' flesh. Already I told you carnivorous animals are having sharp pointed teeth which are helpful to cut the flesh or the tear the flesh. Next one, they have given herbivorous animal. Herbivores have the flat and broad teeth that help them to grind and chew plants. Yes, flat teeth are useful to grind as well as to chew the food. Next. Okay. Now we have seen all these things about the different types of animals like carnivores, herbivores and as well as omnivores. What is the main thing we have learned? Only about the teeth. So don't forget the teeth. We are also example for omnivores. Humans are the example for omnivorous animals. We are having the flat, broad teeth as well as the sharp one. Please check in your mirror once whether we are having the flat teeth as well as the pointed teeth. Okay, children, we have learned about teeth of animals. So I am going to send you worksheet about teeth of animals. Try to complete the worksheet and send by the WhatsApp. Don't forget to send the worksheet. Please try to send the worksheet and try to follow the classes regularly. Okay children, bye. We will meet in the next class. Be happy.